$3.74 million. That is how much money LC4 is looking to spend in the new year.
Silver Barker joins us now in studio with more details. Silver, this comes from Lucas County's budget proposal for next year.
Yes, Jeff and Kaylee, 2025 plans for LC4 include the opening of their new facility. However, one plan for next year involving an agreement now between LC4 and the city of Toledo has council members actually a bit hesitant. A partnership between Toledo Police and LC4 when it comes to complaints of dogs in the city has been established for decades. But this year, there's been some concerns.
Like, what's causing the increases? Do we have a count on how many calls in 2022, 2023, 2024?
So, Lieutenant, then what is the $75,000? What is that for?
When is it your responsibility for LC4 and when is it Humane Society? Like, when is it always LC4 that is the first responder, or can you explain how that works?
All questions city council members are asking LC4 and the police department. But the interim director of LC4 said he didn't have any answers to many of those questions.
Councilman, and I don't mean to throw anybody under the bus here, but I'm not sure where the $75,000 number is coming from.
Calls are up in the city of Toledo, and some of the questions that I had seem to be that yes, they do get dogs that are running astray, and they do have vicious dogs, but sometimes they have a call that is a humane issue. A dog is malnourished, is chained, and what have you, and so is that then a job that the Humane Society could help us with?
Council members mentioned the agreement costing the city a total of $75,000 each year with the idea of not exceeding. However, the past 3 years have all went over that limit, and so far this year, the city is paying more than $83,000.
Trying to figure out how we can, like I said, maintain our contract with the Lucas County Canine and Control, but then also be mindful of taxpayer dollars.
Now, the city is planning to meet about this again tomorrow. Some council members are hoping for some changes to be made and lines to be drawn before this contract is renewed. In studio, Silver Barker, WTOL 11.